Saving your bacon, a tasty idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a deliciously interesting English idiom that might sound a bit strange at first. Save someone's bacon. This phrase has nothing to do with cooking, but it's all about getting out of tricky situations. Stick around to learn what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. When you save someone's bacon, you are essentially saving them from a difficult or dangerous situation. It's like pulling someone out of hot water or rescuing them just in the nick of time. This idiom is often used in informal settings and can add a playful tone to your conversation. It's all about helping someone avoid trouble or loss. The origins of "save someone's bacon" are a bit murky, but it's generally agreed that it comes from Old English expressions. The term bacon has been used since the 17th century to refer to one's body or oneself, likely alluding to the idea of preserving one's physical well-being. Over time, this expression evolved to signify saving someone from harm or loss, not just physically but in any troublesome situation. To help you understand how to use this idiom, let's look at a few examples. I was about to miss the deadline, but my friend stepped in and saved my bacon by helping me finish the project on time. You really saved my bacon back there by reminding me about the meeting. I had completely forgotten. The backup files saved our bacon when the system crashed. We would have lost everything otherwise. Using "save someone's bacon" in conversations shows you're not only proficient in English but also that you're capable of using the language in fun and engaging ways. We hope this video has saved your bacon when it comes to understanding and using the idiom, "save someone's bacon." It's a quirky and fun phrase that adds flavor to your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and to enrich your language skills. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this idiom in your own sentences. Happy learning!